this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is a 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. Our hosts are Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Jackie from Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist. Okay, we're going to start out with one of my favorite Christmas carols. And this is the sheet music. And we're going to just draw around the circle. Let's see if I have better scissors. Better scissors. I guess I'll use these. You can use whatever sheet music you like. Your favorite Christmas song. This song is one we'd always sing every year at church. Growing up, as we decorated the sanctuary for Christmas. So it has fond memories of me and my mom decorating. Now we're going to just take, you could use Mod Podge. I'm using school glue. I think it'll just be faster. But if you're doing this with the kids, this would be perfect. Then I'm going to just take a paintbrush and just get it everywhere. Then I'm going to take some gold paint, and I'm going to paint the tip gold. But you can paint it whatever color you want. I'm going to just use a little gold. Then, you know, what the heck, it's Christmas time. I'm going to add a little glitter to it. If you want to add gold glitter, that's fine too. I'm just using some that looks like snow, just to give it a little sparkle. Okay, we're going to start with a bow. I've already made it, but you can buy pre-made bows. I get some on Amazon. And I'm going to just add 3 berries to the center of this bow. And then I'm going to add a little pine. And if you wanted to add more pine, you could. And then I'm going to first add some string. You can add string, you could add ribbon, however you want to hang your ornament. I guess you could even do pearls if you liked. Just tie a knot in it. And then we'll add our bow. And then if you wanted to, you could add maybe some burnt umber to make it look old and more distressed if you like. I'm not going to. I think I'm going to leave mine the way it is.